Okay friends, in this tutorial we are going to discuss about loops. There are three types of loops in C programming language. They are for loop, while loop and do while loop. What loop is? First of all we need to discuss that. Okay, loop is like something which is used to repeat the same tasks again and again. So let's first discuss about for loop. Okay, first we'll analyze the syntax of the for loop. Here is the syntax. For loops has the keyword for, which initializes that for loop is going to be started, and inside parenthesis there are three parts in for loop: first part, second part and third part, which are separated by this semicolon. First part is used to initialize the variable, where initialization of variable takes place. Second part is used to test whether the condition is true or not. If condition is true, then only it will execute the block of codes written inside these two curly braces. If the condition is false, uh, for loop is terminated. And the last part is used to increment or decrement. That means it is used to bring changes about in the variable, so that after some time the changes will make this condition false and terminates the for loop. So now we will discuss one example to understand the for loop. Okay, here is the example. Here I have created one example with here I have created one variable I with the data type integer, and you see the for loop here. For loop using the for keyword. In first part, see, it is separated by semicolon. I equals to 1. That means I am initializing the variable I as value 1. And this is the second part, which says that this condition must be true to execute the statements inside the for loop, which is checking if I is less than or equals to 10. That means I until I is less than or equals to 10, keep on repeating this same task. When this condition is false, terminate this for loop. And third part, we are incrementing value of I. I plus plus means increment the value of variable I by 1. That means if value of I is 1, then in next time it will become 2, again in next time it will become 3, again in next time it will become 4. In that way it will increment the value of I. And in between these two curly braces I have written one statement, that is to print the hello. See the slash n here. This slash n is used to break the line of the statements. That means once the hello is printed, it will break the line. Go into new line to print the next line, to print the next statement. Similarly, at first the value of I is 1. So condition is true, so it will print hello. Next time value of I will become 2 because I is incremented by 1. After executing the for loop, each time this third part of the for loop is executed, which is bringing about changes in the value of I, so that after certain time the value of I becomes 11, which is not equals to 10 as well as not less than 10. So this statement is false. The result, the for loop is terminated. Okay, let's run this program. See what is the output. Build and run. See here, the hello is printed for 10 times. That means printf statement of hello is executing for 10 times because of this loop. Thank you for watching this video tutorials. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions or want to give any suggestions, you can contact us through our website or you can comment us in our Facebook page. Thank you.